Friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we're going to be making origami french fries. So last week I made origami cheeseburger, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. I'll link it in the video description. These two projects go really well together, so I hope you'll consider making both of them. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit subscribe and also the notification bell so you'll be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make an origami french fry, you're going to need a sheet of paper that is a 1:2 ratio. So what I did was I took a square and I cut it in half. You're going to need one of these per fry, so each one of these pouches is going to fit about 3 to 4 fries. You also need a 3" by 3" square to make the french fry pouch or french fry holder. Over here is my deconstructed cheeseburger, so if you want to learn how to make that, be sure to check in the video description for that, or in the card right over here in the upper right hand corner. But anyway, let's get started with the french fry. The french fry is pretty easy. This is going to be about like a 2" fry. So I'm going to take one of the ones that I made already that is 2 inches, and I'm going to mark the spot. So it's going to be right about here and right about here. So I'm just doing a quick mark like that. Anyway, you're going to flip it around so that the color side is facing down or towards the table, and then you're going to fold over right along that spot. It doesn't have to be exactly 2 inches. Some french fries are larger than others. So anyway, it's gonna look like this. And now let's take the entire thing and fold it in half. Unfold. Fold the bottom side to the center crease that you just created. Rotate and repeat the same thing on this side. So fold this side straight up to the center crease. And then unfold. So now you notice that there is an opening right over here and right over here. There's also one on the other side, but all we need is one side. So you're going to slip this side, the right side, into the slot on the left side. So just slip it in like that. Do the same thing over here. And just slide it in. Should lock into place. Just like that. So now you have your little triangular fry. So just make a couple of these. 3 or 4 should be more than enough to fit into this pouch. So now let's work on the french fry holder. With the color side facing down towards the table, you're going to fold the entire thing in half diagonally. Crease it in. And then we're going to fold all of it in half again, except we're going to make a pinch fold at the bottom, just like that, so you don't crease all the way. Unfold. And now you have that center point. So now with this center point, you can sort of imagine folding this triangle in thirds. So if I were to split this triangle in thirds, it would be right about here and maybe right about there. So I'm going to eyeball it just like this. That looks about right. Crease that in. And then take this side and fold it all the way over. Now let's take the top flap only, there should be 2, and fold it all the way down. Flip it around and do the same thing on this side, so just take this flap and fold it all the way down. Flip it around again, and now we want to open these 2 flaps up. So open up the left one, open up the right one, and then this as well. And then we're going to reverse this fold over here, so this top one, reverse it, and reverse this one as well. Fold it back, and then fold this one over and this one over. And then we're going to slip the right side into the left side, so just slip it right in. There should be an opening. And now from the top, you should be able to stick your finger in there and open it up. So just stick your finger in there like this, and then flip it around. And over here, we're just going to pinch the corner. So I'm going to pinch the corner right here on the left and also the right. And then almost curve it with my fingernail. So now we can put our French fries in. You can fit 3 to 4. And I also use a different shade of yellow here to give it some more character. And that is how you make your origami french fries. Now we don't want to forget to make our burger, so be sure you go make that burger. I got the patty, the cheese, the lettuce, and then the other bun. And you have yourself a meal. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around to the very end of the video where I just sort of babble all the time. I hope you like these origami french fries. I think they're adorable. And also check out the origami cheeseburger as well, which I will link in the video description. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Leave your comments below letting me know what I should make next. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!